Hello guys, today in this video we will cover how much is Cuvva temporary insurance. Okay, how much money you have to pay if you want to take their temporary insurance. Okay, so before taking any insurance you need to keep something in your mind how their pricing will work. So you should read this note. They have provided this note on their website, like how does our pricing will work. Okay, so I will provide you this link in our video description box and you can read out there. You can like this note. Okay, this is very important note. Okay, so you can see over here these are the pricing related to hourly, daily and weekly insurance cost. So temporary car insurance, temporary van insurance, hourly learning insurance. Okay, so these are the prices. So if you take it's like a temporary car insurance for 1 hour you need to pay like 12.55 pounds, and for 6 hours, for 1 day, for 1 week, price may depends on your location. So as I already told you, these are the you can say like things you need to keep in your mind before you can like purchasing any insurance. So the cost, it depends on these factors. Okay, so these are the prices, and now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. So hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.